We are officially in the last week and a half of the seeding round. We had our first crew break 500 mods installed. Will they be dethroned? Welcome to Empire Madness. So any guesses who hit that 500 mark? That's right, it was our Texas Cowboys. Congrats to that crew on making a huge statement and taking the whole shot. But there are a few teams that are knocking right at their door. And we have a super close race between 4 teams that could edge their way into the top 10, and I'm talking a couple mods close. Let's check it all out. Now, of course, at the top we have our Cowboys with that insane 510 mods installed. Rangers and Mavericks right behind them with only an 11 mod difference, 455 and 444. Kronos in our 4th place spot with 333, and then Olympus right behind them at 321. We know these top crews are killing it, but let's take a look at Colorado for a second. Both Han Solar and the Sith Lords are right there in the center, and I can see some potential for upsets here. Leadership here is always talking about this competition and the crews that are putting in that hard work. The question on everybody's mind is, who's going to finish off strong? We're all excited for the season to start, but remember, it's about securing that advantage. Everyone's effort is up in lights as we approach the regular season, which will officially kick off on April 4th. So keep grinding because Vegas is calling.